Các bạn ơi, today I'm going to teach you a very trendy phrase. It's all over the internet at the moment in Vietnam. The phrase is cuộc sống mà. Cuộc sống mà. The second word, sống, means to live, as you probably know already, right? So, sống, remember to close your mouth. Sống. And then we have cuộc sống. Cuộc sống for life. So, cuộc sống. Cuộc sống. Okay, the last word is a particle. Mà. Mà. Vietnamese language has a lot of these particles at the end of a sentence. Mà here is used when we want to explain or to give an explanation. So, life mà means that's life, c'est la vie, right? Okay, one more time for the whole phrase. Cuộc sống mà. Cuộc sống mà. Okay, you can also extend the phrase by saying biết sao được, cuộc sống mà. So, biết sao được, know how can. I don't know why, but it means there's nothing else I can do. You know, what can I do now? So, you know, that's life, right? So, biết sao được, cuộc sống mà. Now I'm going to show you a cartoon or a meme. Okay, in the first frame, you can see the fox saying, sao mọi thứ không bao giờ như tao muốn hết vậy. Okay, sao, why, mọi thứ, everything, không bao giờ, never, như, like, as, tao, I, muốn, want, hết, at all, vậy, question particle. One more time. Sao mọi thứ không bao giờ như tao muốn hết vậy. Sao mọi thứ không bao giờ như tao muốn hết vậy. How do you say that in English? Why is everything not like the way I want them to be? Something like that, right? You get the idea. Anyway, the dog tries to console his friend by saying, biết sao được, cuộc sống mà. Biết sao được, cuộc sống mà. And then we have the crying sound, hoo, right? Okay, now you know the phrase that you can use when some unlucky events happen in your life or your friend's life, and they have to be accepted and you want to console them, right? So the phrase is, one more time, biết sao được, cuộc sống mà. Okay, well done. I'll see you next time. Okay? Hẹn gặp lại lần sau.